Hello there, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Lesa, and I'm so glad that you're joining me today. I went shopping at Old Navy. I have several events coming up over the next few weeks to the month, and I needed a few cute outfits for that. So I hit up Old Navy because they always have cute things that are economical and affordable. I'm also going to be talking about some classic trends for the winter 2023-2024 season. And I say classic because they are fashion pieces that are going to last you beyond this one season, and you'll be able to wear them again. Very classic, very stylish, and very affordable from Old Navy. I wanted to share everything with you that I found. This is hot new items just waiting for early winter. I'm also very excited because today's video is in collaboration with Teddy Blake. They sent me a beautiful bag to unbox and review for you. They are luxury handbags without the price tag, and the bag that I picked is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and it is going to look good with all of the outfits I'm sharing today. Here is the first item I picked up at Old Navy. It is a turtleneck bodycon dress. It has rib detailing on it, and I have paired it with these chunky loafers. For winter 2023-2024, you will see a lot of turtlenecks. You will be seeing a lot of texture, and you will see these chunky loafers, as well as mules are still very much on trend and stylish. Throwback to that 1990s look with the shoes and the turtleneck. As soon as I saw this faux leather jacket, I grabbed it. I knew I wanted it. It is a style, and you are going to see a lot of leather and faux leather, also sometimes referred to as pleather. This faux leather is a great way to elevate your look. You can take it from day to evening. It can be casual or dressy. You can invest a lot into a real leather jacket or a more economical version like this. So many different styles and options. Like I said, this is a little jacket, and it can be worn so many different ways. Teddy Blake creates handbags designed for every style choice with a team of Italian designers. If you don't see your Teddy Blake bag yet, they release new collections every month, and their designers are hard at work developing new and unique designs. They are made in Italy, of high quality construction. They pay attention to detail. They're imaginative in their design, shape, and durability, and they like to use exquisite materials like other luxury brands, but you will never pay that luxury brand price. They like to give you the key characteristics of those high-end luxury houses, but also they remove that $1,000 to $2,000 from the price of their bags. So they become very affordable for you to have a nice luxury quality handbag to carry. I picked the 14-inch Kim Croco bag in the color black. You can see it has this beautiful embossed crocodile calfskin leather. There are gold tone details. It comes very well packaged in this nice box with a dust cover. Everything is very luxurious. The interior of the bag is a microfiber material, so it is going to be durable and wear well. This again is a luxury experience. You can wear it as a handbag or a shoulder bag. It will go from daytime to evening. Teddy Blake also has awesome customer service. My bag shipped very quickly, and they offer free exchanges. So you can rest assured that you're going to receive a good quality item as well as top-notch customer service. Teddy Blake has been kind enough to offer a discount code for the Uniquely Lesa family here. I will have that on the screen for you. So follow the link down in the description. Check out their website. Use that discount code Christmas is coming. These bags would make a wonderful Christmas gift for that loved one on your gift giving list. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments below. I have really been loving my Teddy Blake bag. I only partner with brands and products that I would spend my own hard-earned money on. So I was super excited to bring y'all these luxury handbags at a budget-friendly price. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for reaching out to me to do this sponsored collaboration today. You have beautiful handbags, and I am so glad I got to share them with my Uniquely Lesa family. You can never go wrong with a classic black handbag, and this Teddy Blake Kim Croco in the 14-inch size is perfect. I am wearing it here as a shoulder bag and then also showing you how it looks as a handbag. Perfect and totally elevates this entire outfit. So back to the Old Navy haul. I loved this little turtlenecked ribbed bodycon dress so much. I also bought it in this wine red color. Again, it has that ribbed detail and this very loose turtleneck. I am not usually a huge fan of turtlenecks because they feel like they're choking me, but this one is very loose and does not give me that feeling. I still have it paired with these chunky lug style loafers. Very classic, very modern, but also trendy for winter 2023-2024. And again, immediately you can dress up this simple outfit with the Teddy Blake bag. For reference, I am 5'7" and typically wear anywhere between a 4 and a size 8, depending on the brand and the style. I went up a size to a medium in this dress because I didn't want it form-fitting, but I think it is also a style that can be worn by multiple body types and styled so many different ways, so it is a good staple for your closet. And I love Old Navy because they are size inclusive, so they have a very wide range of size options for you. This next Old Navy outfit pairs two winter trending styles, and that is the chunky knit sweater with leather skirts. I chose this short mini skirt. It is very flattering and again size inclusive, so do not let that deter you. You can wear this regardless of what the number in the tag says. I ended up going with a size small on this one, and it fits true to the measurements on the website's measuring chart, so always refer to that if in doubt. I really wish you could feel how soft this faux leather skirt and the earlier jacket are. It is very supple. It has this sexy but also a very modest slit on the left leg. I have it paired with some strappy heels, and let's just talk about this gorgeous knit sweater. It has a flared sleeve that is slightly bell-shaped without being too bulky to get in the way. It has a slightly raised mock turtleneck line to it, and I have it just tucked up under my bra strap so that it is cropped and looks nice with the skirt, but you can definitely wear it out. You could pair this with jeans, with slacks, with a long skirt. So many options on how to wear both of these pieces. In the store, I tried it on with these different sweaters. You can just see how nice they look. It really did make it hard to pick what was coming home with me. Along with turtlenecks and chunky knit sweaters, you're seeing a lot of sweater sets, whether that is a sweater and pants, a sweater and a skirt, long skirt, mini skirt. You're seeing it all this winter and fall. So I picked up this black sweater skirt and sweater that matched it at Old Navy. I upsized in both of these. I went to a medium in the skirt because I did not want it super tight. And then I went up 2 sizes in the sweater to a large. I wanted it to be versatile to wear with leggings and joggers also, in addition to this skirt. The sweater has a very loose turtleneck that rolls over. It has slight bat wing shape to the sleeves, and it also has a good heavy rib knit to it. The skirt has just an elastic waistband and plenty of stretch, but it has not grown. You know how sometimes knits grow when you wear them? These have maintained their shape. This sweater set is something you're going to be able to play with accessories, from my boots to those chunky loafers. It would be cute with fashion sneakers or even heels, from play to work to evening. Very versatile. So much so that I grabbed it in the cashmere color. When I find something I love, I tend to do that, grab it in different colors. This set though, I got the medium skirt and a medium sweater. I only sized up one in both, and I wanted it a more sleek, slimline fit for this color. This would be really cute also to add a big wide belt. The boots look nice. Fashion sneakers, these being separate, the black set and this cashmere color, you could mix and match these, wear them with jeans, sweaters, put a different sweater with the skirt, a cute little sweatshirt or a graphic tee with a long cardigan or a coatigan. So many options. And that Teddy Blake bag is on point. I am so excited with how it looks on so many different outfits. There are so many stylish, classic trends this winter of 2023, 2024. I just hit on a couple of them from the casual style I have around my home. You wouldn't know I was a former fashion designer, but I still love fashion. I love to stay on top of trends. I watch a lot of videos and read a lot of articles so that I stay current and up to date. So if you're adding new pieces to your wardrobe this upcoming winter season, pick some of your favorite classy but trending items and incorporate them into your existing wardrobe. It will go a long way to keeping you up to date and current. And check out Old Navy, because you can do all that without breaking the bank and your budget. Another thank you to Teddy Blake for this collaboration and for sending me the beautiful 14-inch Kim Croco bag. Don't forget to use that discount code to save $30 off of your new handbag. Thank you all so much for joining me in this Old Navy winter fashion haul. I feel like I got some really cute things. I feel like they are very versatile and they would look good on a lot of body types. They are trending items, but they are not so trendy that you can only wear them this one year. I feel like they're gonna all be back in style next winter as well. If you enjoyed this video, I always appreciate that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe bar, join the Uniquely Lesa family, and come on back for the next video. Until I see you then, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.